Knock twice and see what's inside. You ain't knocking hard enough. There you go. So you can see what's inside without having to open it. Yeah, that wouldn't be good because these two would be knocking on the refrigerator just because. All right, we up here at Nebraska Furniture Mart. Gonna look around at some nice things. This is like the biggest furniture store in the world. I don't know. First thing, as soon as you walk through the door, look how beautiful this is. They are exhausted. It's hot out here. Look at that. Yeah, this is a pretty big store. Look around at it. Okay, so where are we gonna start first?
Up there.
Y'all wanna just go on the elevator? Come on, let's go look at the bedroom stuff. That's a cute little country bed. Don't jump in it. This is the Magnolia Home Collection by Joanna Gaines. Y'all got, you know them from HGTV? Wow, is this her stuff too? This is beautiful. Joanna girl, this is some nice stuff. Look at the furniture. Be careful, don't jump on the furniture, Randy. This is adorable. Look at this bed. You tired? Good night. Look at this table. I guess that's her collection over there, that sectional. And that bed. Oh, look. Look, country kitchen table. Now that is adorable. With all the little accents. I don't know if the kids is really into all of this, but I'm loving it all. I like this little sectional that I'm sitting on. Why you take your shoes off, man? And then you got on mixed max socks.
He already.
You think we at the water park or something, at the zoo? Why you rolling your eyes at me? You the one who did it. Okay. All right, let's keep looking at some things. This is a cute little country table as well. Now I like everything about this table. Make me kind of want to set my table up like this. You like it?
I don't like this part.
You don't like that part?
I just don't like the wood right here.
But that's the whole idea. It's supposed to be like a kind of a country look.
Oh.
Look at this cute little table. See, this is what I'm talking about. Look how adorable that is. I like the sectional all together. Like I like, for whatever reason, I like the color of it. I like the table. Although we couldn't have the table at our house because it'll get trashed up, tore up, broken. All right. I like the colors, the accent colors on that sectional. Ooh, I like that too. I think I like everything here. That's a cute chair. Look at this table. Be careful, y'all, because they got little glass accents, candle holders on here. Too cute. I know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see the bedroom sets?
Yeah.
Want to see the bedroom sets?
Yeah, sleepy.
Okay. What? You sleepy? You should have stayed at home with your daddy.
I just want to.
We need an ottoman just like that. Everybody would be able to sleep on there. Get on there. Let's see if all y'all can fit on there. Lay down there like he is. Yep. All right. See y'all tomorrow. Good night. Look how beautiful that is. Oh, a sleeper sofa. Have a little guest over. I got a picture of you. See, I wanted one of these. Little chase. I like these. Y'all are a mess. All right, let's go. I like all those chairs too. Especially this one. This one is my speed right here. I like the little studs in it.
I only like this one because that one is back in.
Ooh, I even like this one better. Oh, I like this chair. This is cute. Look at the studs in it. That is too cute. You got one too?
Look, this
Oh, the
one's
kids over there. See? She's spinning around in the chair. He is too. See what I'm saying? Hard-headed. Everybody in this store looking at me crazy like, why is that woman talking in her phone? Oh well. I'll be looking crazy. Okay, come on. Oh, look at this. This is cute. Does that say clearance $100 for this little old thing? They out of their mind. Okay, we made it over to the bedroom area, and this is the first one we see. Look at that headboard. And here's the bed, and that's a cute color. I really like this headboard, and that's only $149. Not a bad deal, and that's cute. Here's a bed for you, Reagan. Look at how cute that is. I don't think it opens up. Oh, it do. Is it a trundle bed?
What does this do?
Oh, it's drawers.
Oh, that's what
That would be good for you and Rihanna.
Wardrobe?
Oh, I know you like that.
I just want baby.
Open it up, and then it got a bottom part right there too that opens up. Yeah. Y'all like something like that in your room?
This one opens up too.
Y'all can put all y'all accessories, cute little hats, scarves, dress up stuff all in there. And pose in the mirror. And then that's a cute little dresser with a mirror on it. This is a cute little set. It smells good over here. Okay.
That's what twin beds mean.
This is a twin bed. That's
Or
what
they
this is.
basically are.
Twin bed is just a little bed like this.
Ew.
So you roll to the left too many times, you fall out. And here go the baby bed section. I ain't gonna need none of these no more. That is the cutest room. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at the frame and the footboard. The headboard and the footboard. Look at that, bling bling. Then look at the matching dresser with the little cute little mirror attached. God. This is a cute little bed right here.
That's for boys
Look.
and girls.
You can put stuff under there. What would he put? Toys under there? And he got a cute little ladder. Walk in, get in this little bed. This is cute. Look at that purple bunk bed set over there. I've never seen a bunk bed like this before. This is too adorable. She already in the mirror. Look at this bed. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the details on here. Look at that. That is too beautiful. I like this. And the girls like this one because of the glitter on the headboard, which that is cute.
Yeah, but that
But I don't know if your daddy would be into the whole glitter falling in his hair every day. And this place is huge.
I don't know what that was. This says cafe fried green tomatoes served.
Yeah. Man, if you're scared of heights, like I am, you don't really want to mess with this store. I feel like I'm on a huge bridge right about now. Look where we're at. And then my son is just running around here like a wild animal.
I don't think there's a food store in here, Rihanna. It's just like stuck into a Easter. See, it says drink dine.
I think it is. It's just downstairs. Look how beautiful this is. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about right here. Look how nice this is. Man, going down to the food court.
Yes, food court. Could the thing move even faster?
No, you probably shouldn't be shaking it either.
I'm not.
Talking about her.
Me? Me.
Sorry. Almost ran right into him. Oh, hold on. Before we go to the food court, look at this over here. Oh my God, this is nice. This is way better than ours.
Yeah, I like it because you get to see the dryer where it's going.
Look at this. And they're not even like terrible price points for what they are. Look at that, $7.44. These are $6.43, so they even $100 less. And this is by Samsung. Now, you ain't supposed to actually get in there. And then they got this little part at the bottom. That is nice. And then they got the refrigerators over there. Wow. Look inside of there. You know what I want to see? The refrigerators that like the little, got the little smart refrigerator on there that you can link up with your phone.
I like the ones that have the water and stuff.
The ice machine. Okay, close that up. Let's see if we can find a smart refrigerator, if that's what they call it. Oh, I think I see one right here. I think so. I don't know. Oh, this is just telling you the ice. So you want it crushed, water, and then, so basically everything is electronic.
That's actually good.
That's pretty cool.
I like this.
But dang, for $3,200, I don't know. That is nice. This is like 1,000,000 refrigerators. Do being over here make you wish you were at the food court? Center deck. And they got a little light at the bottom. They all kind of look the same up here. Oh my God, look at that one. Look at the, this is what I was talking about. The Samsung refrigerator. Look, look guys, look. Look at this. So you could be like, today for dinner, Monday, we're gonna have, and you could put in chicken, whatever you want. It's a computer. It's a computer. And then this is the kind I seen on TV because you can sync it into your phone. Like if you have a grocery list that you put on there, you can sync it into your phone. You can put messages. You can listen to Pandora.
Look, Mommy, look at this. Mommy.
This is what I'm talking about.
This one.
Yep.
Nemo?
Knock twice and see what's inside. You ain't knocking hard enough. There you go. So you can see what's inside without having to open it. Yeah, that wouldn't be good because these two would be knocking on the refrigerator just because. And that's $2,700. That ain't terrible. Oh my goodness. Record your voice again.
Whoa!
Hey, oh.
Whoa!
Hey, I want to eat. I'm ready to eat.
Woo!
Now how do you play it? Hey, I want to eat. I'm ready to eat. Now this is where I need to be at. Look at this. Home theater system.
Cup holder.
This is exactly what we need. Really? Look at these screens. Wow. Ninja Warrior.